Hi guys, we will be opening Scarlet and Violet's booster box. Some of them are already opened, so we will open the rest. So let's start with the first pack. Oh, black code card. That's a good sign. Ay, oh crap.
One. Kato ka sa ito dito. Kato siya, isang to isa.
Energy.
Ah.
Ponyard, Wiglet, Toad Skull, Sundial, Rocky Helmet, Mubo Stiff, Oinkologne, Toxel, Howlucha. No pulse there, chat.
Ito.
Okay, next pack, chat. Next pack. Let's put the bulk there. Oh, accidentally got the energy. Yes! Okay.
Celebrate din mong duha kung makakuha full art ha. Full art. Ito siya kay Terra.
Gyarados.
Ito pangalan atin mga set.
Scarlet and Violet.
Ate, bata na mo.
Oh,
Nakita na mo din.
no chat. I'm having
Nag-send ako
trouble.
ano. Dira.
Okay, here we go. Oh, another black code card. Good sign.
Okay.
The sets now, the code cards doesn't even matter now. I don't know. Okay. Basic energy. Flababy. Growlithe. Is that a good sign? Can it be the forgotten name? Oh! Come on, man. Are you serious?
Holo rin no?
Just a hollow chat. Nothing crazy. How about this? It's the trio.
Bata! Ate!
Let's go for it now.
Full art. One time.
Oh! Oh, it's a white code card. I don't know, guys. Maybe. Lately, I've been thinking. Okay, basic energy. Sandal, Marip, Silicobra, Bisharp, Nestball, Pachirisu, Picnic Basket, Slowpoke, Drowsy. Another holo. Are you serious, bro?
Same?
Yeah. Another holucha. Bro. Okay, the one with the Coridon pack. Maybe. Lately, I've been thinking. I want
How many
you
packs
to
sila?
be happy.
3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 packs to go. Ito yung nakuha ganyan na kuya.
Hindi ko nakuha.
Itong open yung isa.
Puro holo din. Okay, let's go to the other side then.
Sila pa itong nakuha nila. Gamay pa na. Pat
Four
pa
po.
po. 4?
Basin malas na box. Bro, malas na box. Are you serious? I want a holo. Right guys, I want a holo. Come on bro, I want a holo. Pokemon Catcher, Cluncher, Dolive, Quaxley, Youngster, Jack,
Slowly na daan.
Floragato, Team Star Grunt, Ralts. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, that's what I want. Lucky for you, that's what I want. Another one with a Coridon. Wait guys, let's organize the trash. You don't want to waste these plastics. It might grow.
Sige. Go.
Trash niya.
Pinta, full art na, full art.
Come on, please.
Full art or EX. Miggy. Pray, Miggy, pray. Pray for a full art.
Music boy. And good luck music.
Full art, full art, full art.
Anything.
Full art, full art, full art. Full art or EX, full art or EX. Grabe pila, kapak na ito na open 4.
Yes.
Puros mga simple holo.
Basic Energy, Palpad, Flabibi, Toxel, Ralts, Picnic Basket, Bombardier, Hypno, Flittle, Skidoo, Arcanine Terra!
Okay.
Look at it! It's beautiful, chat! Chat, I already have the Terra Gyarados and the other one is an Arcanine.
Wow, EX. First EX.
But chat, the Gyarados one, it was already fold, sadly. Okay. Close look.
Alright, EX. Arcanine.
Arcanine.
Hi, at least na isa.
Let's go for the Gyarados. I feel this one. It's kinda heavy, chat. It's kinda heavy. It might be the Arcanine full art or the Gyarados. It's kinda heavy. I'm feeling it.
Arcanine EX.
Guys, I'm feeling it. Oh, it's a white code card. But, chat, the color doesn't matter, right? Free Palestine. Okay. Basic Energy, Fuecoco, Tropius. Oh, that's a nice card. Pokeball! Okay, I'm keeping this. Rotom, Floragato, Stonejourner, EXP Share, Capacikid, Chansey, Miraidon! It's a Miraidon! We already have the we already have the full art Miraidon though. Oh, we're running out of sleeves. Oh crap. 2 pulls so far. Great. We still have a lot. Oh crap. Yeah, I was feeling that one. This as well.
2 in a row.
Guys, why is it so heavy? I'm feeling these.
2 in a row.
And it's actually so smooth. These are packed so nice. Shout out to Pokemon CEO. You guys are the best. Can that give us luck? Another white code card. Guys, color doesn't matter.
3, 6, 7 packs to go.
Oh crap, only 7 jot. Okay, 1. Basic Energy, Growlithe, Shuppet, Tandemaeus, Smoliv, Miraim, Spiritomb, Ultra Ball! Okay, I'm keeping that. Corellia, Magnemite. Oh crap. Okay, we're keeping the bulk. Hollow. Okay, we're keeping the bulk. Of course.
I'm the love of my life.
I might give these to my uncle since it's his birthday tomorrow.
Guys, Wayne.
Oh no, we're running out of packs. I'm so sad. Okay, let's get this.
I don't need no light.
Yeah, black code card. Black code cards give me hope. Come on.
Full art.
Basic Energy. Houndoom. Oh!
Secret rare.
Want this?
Secret rare.
Flidoff, Scatterbug, Drifloon, Spiritomb. Guys, I'm sweating. Another Ultra Ball. Espathra, Mischief, Shuppet. Oh, come on, man. We're running out of packs.
Pila lang ka packs.
Guys, I'm so sad. Okay, let's
1,
get
2,
these.
3, 4, 5,
Still got a lot going, Jad.
6, 7,
Still got a lot going, Jad.
9, 10.
Guys, we still have a lot going.
10, 10,
We
10.
still have 10. We still have 10.
Sige, go.
I have hopes on a full art. Or that trainer alt art, bro. I'll get that $70 card. Bro, I'm gonna be so happy. To make
Hindi
my day
$70
off. The alt art trainer. Oh, block code card. It's giving me hope, chat. It's giving me hopes. I haven't got a pull from a black code card. This might be it. I'm feeling it. In the power of Rasengan Naruto.
Sige.
Goku. Basic Energy. Drifloon. Katodol. Varoom. Oh my god, Magikarp! Looks so insane. Catty, woo, Batty. Staraptor. Electric Generator. Ooh, that's nice. And the class card.
Yes.
Full art! Full! Ah!
Kaysa na ya.
Magnezone!
Alright,
We
full
don't have sleeves
art.
now.
Full art.
We don't have sleeves.
You know, 4, upat na natin, 4 ka full art.
No more sleeves.
So,
Bro, your card's gonna get damaged without sleeves.
Bibi, ato na ipa-open si Miggy, babe. Si Nailock si Miggy. Sige daw, Miggy.
Pick me.
1. Pick 1 kuya Miggy, babe. Ikaw na po. Let's try your luck.
Let's try your luck.
Ikaw lang open kuya din. Siya mo ipa-ana. Nara
Dire
din.
na.
Ay.
Mga trash man.
Sige, okay.
I'm feeling this one.
Sige.
Okay, let me open it.
Yeah, si Miggy mo ipana na hinay-hinay ha.
Thunder ties, chat. I've been working on my leg.
Si Deglaki. Si Deglaki kung malaki si Miggy siya, pa to ipa-open kaya ha.
Yes. Ooh, black code card. Please,
si
bro,
Mickey.
I just wanna get the Koraidon secret rare.
Sige Miggy ha.
Okay, open it slowly. Hopefully nothing will be
Sige.
thrilling.
Siya. Sige. Okay.
While you're doing that,
Okay. Hinay-hinay din last niya, Miggy ha. Okay.
give me the bulk.
Okay, last na ya? Di pa.
No. Okay. Last. Oh, it's not yet the last one. Last. You need a sleeve.
Wala, siya niya siya?
Mercy.
Full sleeve.
Ito sa tingin, si Miggy na po, nada kay winning streak. Winning streak.
Alt art trainer, we need sleeves.
Sige kay Miggy,
Okay, while you're opening, I'll get sleeves.
Sige.
Let me open this.
Hantod mawala ang kuan, ang streak ni Miggy. Grabe.
Oh my god! I think that's the biggest hit.
Team Star Grant.
Okay, white code card. That's not giving us luck, right? Maybe.
Nice
We don't
Miggy
know.
man. Sige, binason si Miggy.
It's Miggy.
Sige kay Miggy. Hinay-hinay po kay Miggy.
Slowly. Let me sleeve this one, bro.
Sige.
Sleeving this.
Energy. Okay, Magikarp. Zanggos. Okay, last. Hinay-hinay. Napa? Wala na. Naputol ang streak.
Guys, I guess it's my turn.
Sige, ikaw na po kuya.
I gotta sleeve this card first. Oh my god. This is the best pull, I think. I think this goes for $20.
Houndstone.
$20
Okay, butang sa
maybe.
balik, kuya.
Let's put it here.
Sige, ikaw na po kuya.
Oh my god. Still got a lot going. Okay, I'm feeling this one. Wait. A Miraidon pack. Let's go for it. Miraidon luck.
Come on, another full art, another full art. Full art for EX. Full
Okay,
art.
color doesn't matter. No racism, chat. But I think black just gives me more luck. Basic energy. Squavet. Characadet. Lechonk. The king. Starly real life card. Lucario. I'm getting a lot of Lucarios. Trainer. Set Titan. Fido. Youngster. Caridon. But it's just a holo.
Hindi
But,
siya reverse holo.
but guys, it's a Caridon.
Sige, may ginapon. Ikaw, ipo-open ka. Puli-puli naman daw.
Siya pili,
naman
siya
daw.
pili.
Ikaw pili, Miggy. Sige. Sige ka na, Kuya Sam. Basin day. Another full art. EX, secret rare.
Uy, naku, di rin mo ito na, bro.
Full art, secret rare, full art. Sige ka na, Kuya. One for the road. Another trainer. Pila ni kabok ang trainer ani Kuya?
Oh, black! It's black!
Pila kabok trainer ani na full art?
Dagan. It's black!
Sige.
Let's go! It's giving me luck. Chat!
Sige, chat. Migi.
Slowly.
Energy. Sige. Okay. Full art!
It's an alt art! It's an alt art!
Full art.
More expensive. Alt art. Okay, go to Miguel. Let me sleeve this bad boy.
Sige. Binas siyo. 2 out of 3, no? 2 out of 3.
Yes.
Sige. Ikaw open ka.
Oh. Sleep. Okay. We got them here.
Ay, naka-strict si... 2 out of 3. Oh, Binas. Binas ug hands.
Maybe another one. To last year kasi win din no. Another black, bro. Oh, it's not.
White.
I don't know. It can still be an alt art. Gio, sige kagit og VMAX din no.
Sige.
Here you go.
Come on. Another one.
Don't let them know you, son. They don't know me, son.
Sige, okay. Hop. Last. Inay.
They don't know me, son.
Oh.
Okay, it's my turn.
Isa to siya.
Trainer.
Trainer.
Katong sige kung kako ganina.
Okay.
Bulk is going in there, of course.
2 out of 4.
We don't want those bulk.
Okay, pili na Kuya.
Oh. I'm taking this one.
On the love of my life.
Come on, give me that Coridon secret rare. It will literally make my day. Oh, it's white! I wish I wasn't black. I wish I wasn't.
Okay. Full art, EX, secret rare. Go.
Energy, Magnemite, Energy Switch, Varoom, Cluncher, Judge, Floatzel, Miriam, Growlithe. Oh! Another out! That's beautiful!
Sana.
Out art!
Isa?
I'm sorry, Galarian birds and Charizard. I need your sleeves to sleeve this bad boy out of here.
Sinay.
We got this bad boy in.
Sige. Ikaw pa Kuya, kay Binas pa ka Kuya.
Tutoy.
Gwapo Kuya Migino. Hello. Gwapo pa ka drawing.
Okay, I'm taking this Gyarados.
Ano ni siya?
Alt art.
Drowsy?
Dugang kita alt art ko rin
Gwapo ka sa pagkakuan. Gwapo kay
Mo
Cole.
gani. It's oh, it's white. White is just
So-
giving me goosebumps.
so- Bro got alt, huh?
I mean, okay, I'm
Alt
white.
from white.
Like, bro, I'm white. Potion, Buizel, Energy Retrieval, Lechonk, Sandaconda, Catty, Staraptor, Flabebe, Electric Generator. Ah, luck is gone.
Tagsa mo ni Miggy, last to. Pili Miggy. Kani ya, kuya. Tagsa mo.
The bulk in there.
Last pack of Kuya Miggy.
Oh, this one is
And
heavy.
then this is the last pack of Kuya
Bro, I'm
Samsam.
feeling it in here. This might be the one.
The one with the...
Ano?
Labi Charizard dire, kuya. Wala.
Wala. It's white, it's white, it's white. I don't
So-
know.
So,
I don't
Baya,
know.
basin. Sige, Miggy. Sige, Miggy. Sige, Miggy.
Basin. Oh, this is so light. Ano, think
Bingo.
about it.
Energy. Come on, EX. Full art, EX.
give us some insane cards, Nick.
Last. Adi pa na pa isa. Ito may sakto. Wala ra.
Holo.
Wala.
Armor,
pack, the last
Armorage.
The last pack,
Last pack ni mo, ikaw kuya Sam.
dance.
Last.
The last
Bless it with the white code cards. Please summon black. Please summon black.
Go.
Summon black.
Hold on, the last dance.
And the pulse blessing it.
Ika to din i-video ng mga polls nimo. One by one na to, arrange. At least cross out na nato na sa tong mga kulang.
I don't know, guys. You might get another box in January.
Ano?
Dun na. It's white! Are you serious? An alt art is the biggest chance here. Not a full art.
Slow motion yun ang last
Basic
ya.
energy. Cacnea. Sandile. Mary.
Last card
Silicobra.
Patriling yun ang last card.
Pachiriso! Chorizo, picnic basket, bombardier,
Last na.
Toxel, Houndoom,
Insam siya.
Bro, come on.
Come on, bro.
broken hearted.
This is what we got. This is the drowsy.
Hearted.
This is Starly,
A broken hearted.
Arcane,
A broken hearted.
Magnezone,
I mean, like we got a Terra.
Maridon, and then the Team Star Grant. That's all. Bye-bye!